Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize your recipe collection with Airtable. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create a new base in Airtable. This is going to be the home for all your recipes. Think of it as your digital cookbook. The reason we do this is because a base in Airtable is like a database. It's a place where you can store, organize, and analyze information. After creating your base, you'll want to create different tables for different types of recipes. You might have one for breakfast, one for lunch, one for dinner, and so on. This helps us because it allows us to sort and find recipes based on the meal type. Now, within each table, you'll create fields for different aspects of the recipe. These might include ingredients, preparation time, cooking time, and number of servings. This is where Airtable really shines. It allows you to customize your table to suit your needs. Plus, it's easy to modify fields as your recipe collection grows. Let me explain why this matters. By organizing your recipes in this way, you can quickly and easily find the recipe you're looking for based on specific criteria. Looking for a breakfast recipe that serves two and takes less than 30 minutes to prepare? No problem. Just look in your breakfast table and filter by servings and preparation time. The next step is to add your recipes to your Airtable base. You can do this manually, or you can import recipes from a spreadsheet if you already have them in that format. The reason we do this is to ensure all your recipes are stored in one place, making them easy to access and manage. Finally, make use of Airtable's powerful search and filter features. These allow you to find recipes based on any criteria you choose. Need a dinner recipe that uses chicken and takes less than an hour to cook? Just enter these criteria into the search and filter fields, and Airtable will show you all the recipes that match. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. Airtable is scanning all your recipes and checking them against the criteria you entered. It then presents you with a list of recipes that meet those criteria, making it easy for you to find the perfect recipe. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily organize your recipe collection with Airtable, making it easier than ever to find the perfect recipe for any occasion. So why not give it a try? Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking.